They say the road to $1 million is paved with risk, sacrifice, and a bit of luck. But what if I told you it's actually a formula? And yes, it's one they never taught you in school. If you're not rich yet, it's not your fault. You were sold a plan. Go to school, get a job, save a little, only to realize later that plan wasn't designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to make you obedient. But today, we break free. Today, I'll give you the step-by-step blueprint that ordinary people have used to become millionaires, even if they started with nothing. Step 1 begins with your mindset. Because before the money ever shows up in your bank account, it starts in your mind. Poor people think survival. The rich think scale. Most people ask, how can I afford this? Millionaires ask, how can I create something that pays for this? It's not about working harder. It's about thinking differently. Sounds cliche? Maybe. But millionaires aren't working 10 jobs. They're working one strategy. Step 2, increase your income. Let's be honest. You can't save your way to wealth if you're earning minimum wage. If your current job pays just enough to survive, it's time to get uncomfortable. Learn a high-income skill. Coding, copywriting, sales, digital marketing. Pick one. Invest time before you invest money. The goal? Turn your income from a leaky faucet into a fire hose. Now here's where most people fall off. Step 3, control your lifestyle. Lifestyle inflation is the millionaire killer. The moment people earn more, they spend more. A new car, better apartment, fancy dinners. But millionaires delay gratification. They live like no one else now, so they can live like no one else later. Remember, every dollar you waste today is a seed you didn't plant for tomorrow. You still with me? Good. Because step 4 is where things get exciting. Saving to invest, not saving to save. You see, your savings account isn't making you rich. It's slowly dying thanks to inflation. Millionaires don't just save. They allocate. Real estate, stocks, index funds, businesses. Assets that generate cash flow even while you sleep. And no, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to be consistent. Quick side note, ever notice how people will spend $200 on dinner but hesitate to invest $50 in a course that could change their income forever? Yeah, make it make sense. Anyway, step 5, build multiple streams of income. Millionaires rarely rely on one paycheck. They diversify. Salary plus side hustle. Business plus dividends. The more streams you have, the less panic you feel when one dries up. Think of it like a table. One leg breaks, the rest still hold you up. Now, here comes the real game changer. Step 6, scale what works. This is the multiplier effect. Find what brings in income and double down. Got a side hustle that makes $500 a month? Automate it. Outsource it. Expand it. The average person stops at, it's working. Millionaires ask, how big can this get? But wait, what about fear? What if you fail? Let me be brutally honest. You will fail. You'll lose money. You'll make mistakes. But guess what? So did every millionaire you admire. The difference is, they didn't stop. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. If you're not failing, you're not trying anything worth doing. Here's something that might shock you. Becoming a millionaire isn't about intelligence. It's about consistency, discipline, the ability to stay on the path when it's boring, hard, or slow. Everyone wants to be rich. Few are willing to be patient. And now, we arrive at the final step, the one no one talks about, environment. Who you surround yourself with will either accelerate your success or sabotage it. You can't hang around people who complain about money and expect to build wealth. Audit your circle. Are they pushing you forward or pulling you down? Here's your cliffhanger. Most millionaires follow this path without even realizing it. But the moment you see it clearly, you can shortcut years of trial and error. Now that you know the steps, the only thing left is action. So, what's stopping you? Before you click away, ask yourself this. A year from now, will you be closer to your first million or still stuck at step zero? If this video lit a fire inside you, don't let it fade. Hit that like button to let the algorithm know this message matters. Subscribe for more real talk about money, mindset, and building a wealthy life on your terms. And remember, you're one decision away from a completely different future. Let's build it.